One parasitic bug, one telephone bug, one receiver, one video camera, plus batteries, fully charged. Oh,
You should be in bed.
I tried that. I'll need an invoice.
Oh, bless you, Peggy.
It looks like I'm going down with something.
Port and lemon, Doc?
Oh, yes, please. Oh, well, I never thought I was allergic to pollen.
I reckon you exceeded the maximum dose.
Here and all. Frank.
Frank?
How'd it go, darling?
Yeah, fine. You okay, darling? You don't look at all well.
Well, I have felt better.
Well, I've got a little surprise for you that may cheer you up.
Oh, they're lovely, aren't they?
Absolutely. You get yourself to that little beauty upstairs immediately.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm coming down with something. Nothing serious, though. Do you want to come in and we can get started?
I'm just going to grab my...
Follow me.
We don't know, we just know he's a wrong 'un.
You okay?
No, I'm not okay. Of course I'm not okay.
Sorry, it's murder on the other.
This is Lionel from Legal.
Coffee, how do you take it?
Oh, just massive.
Look, before anything else, the most urgent thing is whether to air tomorrow's episode, because if we don't, then 10 million people are going to need something else to watch.
I have a tape on its way you can see for yourself.
What about the police?
The police?
Yeah.
Is this a police?
What?
All I'm saying is it a crime to cheat on a game show?
Well, well...
Stop saying well, Lionel.
I'm from Legal, it's my job to say well.
Time for you to disrobe.
Do we have to do it now, Mr. Van Dam?
Well, when else?
Art. Art.
Sorry. Actually, there is a draft in here, Mr. Van Dam.
Well, you expect that in a theatre. You expect drafts.
But what happens if we catch cold?
My lady,
My liege.
I brought you flowers. Picked from the royal garden.
Oh, well, they're lovely.
Not as lovely as you.
Oh.
Are you all right?
I'm sorry. I don't think I can keep this up any longer.
Keep what up?
The lie. I can't keep pretending like this. I'm beginning to wonder if you're really the man I thought you were.
You must look demure, but at the same time alluring.
Oh dear. You definitely can't go looking like that. Mr. Elton will have to wait.
Don't despair. You may not be able to go to the Westons' dinner party, but we can still make this a good test of Mr. Elton's regard.
Maybe Mr. Knightley has found us a place in the shade.
It'll probably be just as warm in the shade.
I thought you intended to enjoy yourself.
I did. I do.
Thank you.
I may not have travelled, but the world has come to me. Oh, you coming down with something?
Pollen. If I hold my breath long enough.
How peculiar.
Remarrying was the farthest thing from my mind.
I see.
Oh, there's a war on.
Oh, no. Not necessarily. Australian mimosa. Beautiful.
All right, John, you can take my baby out for a spin.
Come on, girl, and sit.
Allergies. She plays like a pufferfish. You just want to squeeze her till she pops.
Working at the college.
That
but if you cut out his cheeks and give him a ball patch, there's a striking resemblance. Edgar's away on the trip. He's across the pond, sowing his wild oats or something agricultural.
She's good, I'll give her that. I think you're overreacting.
Bless you.
Now let's begin with... Oh, ça alors.
Mademoiselle? Mademoiselle?
Oh, merci, Sally. Oh. I'm sorry, girls. I could not help it. Oh, dear me. Oh, here is another. Girls, it is not kind to laugh at another Sally, can you collect the preps for me and continue the lesson while I compose myself?
Yes, mademoiselle. Are you going to be all right?
Oh, I hope so. Never have I sneezed so much before. And you think I do not know? It was a trick, was it not?
A trick?
The sneezing.
Neither one.
Bless you.
Oh,
Oh, you all right?
hay fever.
These are maddening things, allergies.
Whoever did it.
Oh, for God's sake, do something about that cold.